Hey everyone, you're watching my YouTube channel for the very first time called Plenty of Goodness. Remember that term, plenty of goodness? Well, that's where I pretty much got it from, Plenty of Goodness. My whole platform is built off of all plant-based and all gluten-free, delicious weekly recipes for you and your taste buds to explore and enjoy. My recipes will launch once a week, every Saturday. The idea is to prep your meal for the week, rotating between 3 different meals for lasting for about 6 days. I like to use mason jars because your food stays really fresh with an airtight seal, and if you really need to, it can store up in the fridge for about 2 weeks. And they're really inexpensive and sustainable as well, which is really cool. You can freeze them, you can thaw them out in the microwave from the freezer without cracking or breaking, which I think is really cool. Or you can heat them up right out of the jar and your meal is ready to eat. If you like my videos and want to find out more about my healthy eating and healthy recipes, click the subscribe button and remember to share this video with friends and family. Stay tuned for more weekly recipes, and thanks for watching and enjoy!